Do singers always need to warm up? Let's talk about vocal warm-ups, what they really are and when they truly matter. The goal of this lesson is simple: to help singers understand when, why, and how much vocal warm-up is necessary, so warming up becomes a smart choice, not a rigid rule. First, what exactly is a vocal warm-up? A vocal warm-up is a set of gentle exercises that prepares the voice for singing. It improves coordination, flexibility, breath efficiency, and vocal fold responsiveness. Think of it like stretching before physical activity, not to exhaust the body, but to prepare it. Now, the big question: do singers always need to warm up? The answer is no. Warming up is not always mandatory, but it is highly recommended, depending on the situation. So the real question isn't, must I warm up? The real question is, what is the vocal demand and how ready is my voice? There are times when warming up is absolutely necessary. You should definitely warm up if you're singing high notes, belting or powerful passages, singing for a long time, singing early in the morning, doing technical work like runs, agility, or sustained notes, recording, performing, or ministering, or recovering from vocal fatigue or tension. In these situations, warming up reduces strain and improves consistency. But there are also moments when a full warm-up may not be required. For example, when you're singing lightly in a comfortable range, when your voice already feels free and coordinated, when you're just testing melodies or ideas, or when you've already been gently using your voice, talking or humming. And here's something important. Even in these cases, most singers naturally do something: a hum, a sigh, or a lip trill. That still counts as warming up. Now, here's the core principle every singer must know. Warming up is about readiness, not routine. High vocal demand plus low readiness equals higher risk. Low vocal demand plus high readiness equals lower risk. Professional singers don't warm up because they're forced to. They warm up because it makes the voice more reliable and efficient. So what does a smart warm-up look like? On a light singing day, 3 to 5 minutes of gentle exercises is enough. On a heavy singing day, 10 to 15 minutes of structured warm-up is ideal. Short on time? Humming or lip trills before singing words can make a big difference. Simple SOVT exercises like humming, lip trills, or straw phonation are often enough to wake the voice safely. And finally, remember this: warming up is not a punishment. It's not a rule, it's vocal wisdom. A smart singer doesn't ask, "Do I have to warm up?" They ask, "What does my voice need right now?" Okay, singers, hope this helps you. Until next time, one mic and happy singing.